at home. Again, it's your Kuya PANDISOY, and always believe na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for new updates and more upcoming exciting videos. And here are the ingredients for our Mexican enchiladas. Alright, to give you a glimpse of what are those, the most important is our breast chicken. Yan. And then we also need two kinds of cheese. We need a flat one and we need a cheddar cheese. And for our vegetables, we need eggplant. And we need also onion. And then we have half of this one. This is lemon. And then I need tomatoes, red bell pepper, butter, salt, pepper, tomato sauce, and the wrap. Okay? Stay tuned and we'll get back to you on the actual procedure on how to do it. Alright. Into strips. Slice it like that. Okay? Long strips needed. Alright. Okay? I just put it there, and then I just put the salt, and then the black ground pepper, and then the sliced lemon. Alright, sliced tomatoes. Okay. Add on the sliced butter. Yeah. Just let it melt. Sliced onion. Add on the chopped tomato. And then the sliced chicken. Slice the chicken to your desired size. Toss the marinated sauce. Then just add some cheese in it. Add just a tablespoon of your tomato sauce. Just take it out. There. I want to leave you like that. And the remaining sauce. Grease it with your butter. Alright, like that. And in your vegetables like your lemon, yeah, your tomatoes, with the chicken. Alright, just do like that. Arrange the chicken. Okay, and then just wrap it. Look at this. Mexican enchiladas. Right. And look at this. It melts. Enchiladas. Try this at home. Again, this is your Kuya PANDISOY, and always believe the unique ka dahil the best in the world ka. And please, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for new updates and more upcoming exciting videos.
Dahil the best in the world ka, Kuya PANDISOY!